This is a 1-scoop order for Rebecca from Uncle Adrian and Auntie Kat. She likes Mofusan, Chikawa, Hello Kitty, and Kuromi. One highlighter. Let's add this Butter Bear set. 2 erasers. Plus 2 more. 1 mini notebook. I love the pages on this one. Plus 2 more. Two mechanical pencils. Let's add 2 blind box pens. 1 washi tape. Plus 1 more. 1 memo pad. Plus 2 more. One scenery sticker. Let's add 2 more. 1 mini charm. Let's add these 2. Plus these 3 cuties. 1 plush charm. Plus 2 more. 1 plush pencil bag. One hair clip. Plus 1 more. 1 claw clip. Let's add this fluffy plush scrunchie. 1 plush keychain. One card holder. Plus 1 more. 1 Taba squishy. Plus 1 more. 1 bracelet. I swapped it out for this notebook. 1 bricks. Let's give these 3 stickers instead. Okay, Rebecca, that's everything for your order. I hope you love everything I chose. Thank you so much.